To get into the gaming industry, I think right now is one of the best times to, in India especially, to get into the gaming industry. Gaming is booming right now, and it is this misnomer or this misconception that only if you're a programmer or a graphic designer can you get into gaming. There are other segments available in the gaming industry across various verticals where you can look at getting into the gaming space. You could look at entering the gaming industry as a tester, where you would be spending time testing games, or you could look at on the biz dev side, on sales and marketing. You could look at overseeing if you've got good skills in project management. You could look at getting into the production side of things. If you're a creative artist, if you're a sound designer, if you're good with graphics or animations, definitely there's the art side of it. Audiovisual sounds are another aspect. Programming definitely is an option. So yeah, I mean there is not just only programming or only graphics which are an option. I very regularly get people coming up to me and saying, hey, you know what, I play games for 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day, and I want to be a part of the gaming industry, and how do I go about? I think you can probably just look at where your core competency lies and accordingly just go ahead and follow your passion. I think one of the main points to be a part of this industry is you need to be passionate about what you do. And apart from that, yeah, I mean, tools can be taught, skills are something which you need to have, and passion is a must.
People who want to come into gaming as such, you need to work upon, need to play a lot of games. You got to leave games, and that's where you can come in. And you got to study games, what are games and how do you accept the challenges.
Most important is that when you're choosing gaming as a career, most important thing is that you must have interest first of all in gaming, and faith that gaming is one of the most upcoming, I would say, area of career today, and everybody's taking it very seriously.
For someone who's a complete fresher, my advice would be to first understand what games are. I mean, everyone has ideas. Everyone has ideas that, oh, this would make a good game, that would make a good game. It's bringing down that idea to the final product. That is what skill is all about. So, brush up on your skills.